Welcome back to Alazoid. You're now watching the Word of the Week. This is a new and ongoing segment of our channel, so feel free to engage with us in the comments below. Our word for today is Kaizen. Originating from Japan, the word Kaizen is a term often used by business professionals in the management of their employees. The word indicates a process of continuous improvement to the standard way of which we do work. It is a compound word that involves two concepts. Kai, meaning change, and Zen, for the better. Now for our real-world example, we're going to be talking about Toyota, one of the world's leading manufacturers of automobiles. Did you know the philosophy of Kaizen has been adopted and used by Toyota for many generations? It is one of Toyota's core values. This allows their workers to suggest improvements even to the highest levels of management. From the factory to the boardroom, workers are granted the authority to stop production at any given moment. They are then encouraged to voice their opinions on ways to improve productivity. The word Kaizen is often mistaken to be an ancient Japanese philosophy, but it's simply the Japanese word for improvement. Kaizen became known in the corporate world when Toyota adopted its method. Since then, they have grown to become one of the leading car manufacturers in the world. This was accomplished by having employees at all levels of the company working together to achieve regular and small improvements. Kaizen ensured managerial involvement from the CEO of the company down to the assembly line workers. We can all learn a valuable lesson from the use of the word Kaizen. What are some things you can improve on in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in to the Word of the Week. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. And until next time, Alazoid out.